Alright guys, this is the day after the biggest snowstorm we had since 2004. We got over 60 to 80 centimeters total on the island here. So we're going to see some crazy snow. We're going to see some crazy drifts, hopefully. Like, I used to be a guy that would go out in a snowstorm and love it. But I guess I'm getting too old for that. And I definitely don't have a truck to do that either. So, yeah, quite a bit of snow. But everybody's like dying to get out. This is day 4. And we're finally getting out. Pretty wild, pretty friggin' wild weather. As Islanders, we're used to the crazy weather, but this one kind of came out of the blue, and that's exactly what it did. It came out of the blue, caught us off guard, dumped like our whole winter's amount of snow in like 3 days. Pretty wild. So I'm just making my way out finally, see what's going on, go into the big town, grab a little bite. Yeah, that is a pile of snow. Spots like the Maritimes, we got hit hard. Cape Breton, I guess, got hit the worst, as they normally do. They got buried. They got over 150 centimeters of snow. It will take them the rest of the week to dig out. It won't be a day, that's for sure. Imagine 150 centimeters, that's insane. That is like over 6 feet, 7 feet of snow. It's a lot. And it's they had to call for an emergency, state of emergency, just to keep people off the road so they can do the proper cleanup and treat it like an actual emergency, because biggest issue is like all the emergency people, ambulances, police, fire trucks, whatever, they still got to get to where they got to go. So that's why they're declaring an emergency, because all those other resources have to still get to where they got to go, no matter what. These like side roads here, I've noticed, is as I'm driving by, they're only like a single lane. enough snow there. That brings us back to winters back on the island back in the 70s, 80s. There's no way you go off the road because you just hit the walls of snow and they keep you on the road. So you just have to keep make sure you don't run into anybody, that's all. Yeah, everybody's getting cabin fever. Haven't been out in like 3 days out of the house. PEI was basically just shut down for 3 days. Even the Confederation Bridge that doesn't normally shut down, it had to get shut down as well. Wait-up conditions are way too dangerous with this past storm to be out and about. God, wow. I'm just noticing the snow in certain people's yards and stuff, and it's like, wow. Insane. Only problem I see with this is this isn't the end. This is just the beginning. I do believe. They couldn't even predict this. They just predicted snow. They didn't even have the proper meteorological expertise to actually predict that we were going to get nailed with how much snow we were going to get nailed with. No, you can't always predict the weather. You can't predict Mother Nature's wrath. Just expect it to be just that, wrath. Mother Nature don't mess around. So what are we going to eat, guys? What are we going to get to eat? Stop on a hill, car. You better keep going. I don't know if I can stop on a hill if I'm going down a hill. Roads aren't too bad, but there are slushy spots, which are the worst road conditions. Slush is the only thing that ever put me in the ditch. Actually be interesting to see what's actually open in Charlottetown, because places to be only digging out as of yesterday and today to actually open up places. So it's always guaranteed that Tim Hortons be open. We'll be going through there at some point to grab coffees on the way back. But I'm like, I want meat, you know what I mean? I'm a meat man. I need my meat. Give me protein. Save the buns, save the veggies, I don't care. I want my meat. So there's a chance I'm gonna get a burger. Good chance of that. Road into town. It's a Rustico road. It's usually the road that they cater to and clear the best whenever there is snowstorm of sorts. This is the road that so there's another road that I'm actually on, and we'll take that on the way back out. It's usually way worser condition, that's why I came in with this road. But on the way back, I might take the other road just to see how nasty it is. Shaky, shaky, bump, bump, bump. Oh, wow. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Trailtown will be a bustling place today because everybody just wants to get out. Like, we just want to get back to normal here. So, hopefully we can do that. Let's go, people. Oh, this is like the main highway here. So it'll definitely be in better shape. Crazy amount of snow, man. It's nice to see some clear roads. Spraying me there, big truck. We're trying to see, right, guys? We're trying to see here. Plows that have some jobs ahead of them today. People getting their money's worth for purchasing plow services for the year. They're going to get it today. But as Islanders, we are ready and prepared for these kind of events, unlike the States. This is not uncommon for Canada. I like to go all the way up to Surrey, see how bad it is up there. They reached amounts of 80 to 85 centimeters of snow. Can you imagine? It's like, oh my God. That's so much snow. And we already got so much snow. Ironically enough, it blurs out the license plate because I didn't want anybody to see that. So that's all good. You guys look at the water dripping down there. We'll be back. Alright guys, we are entering Trail Tim. Hopefully we can see better. I don't want it to be blurry. Hopefully we can see past the water there. Yeah, it's pretty wild amounts of snow, I'll tell you that. It's insane. Place is down to just one lane. Wow. Oh, better stop. Whoa, whoa. Ooh, just got that in time. I can't believe there's still people wearing masks while they're driving. People, break the bullshit. We all know if you get COVID, you barely die if you get it, so fucking smarten up. It's bullshit. I guess there's only one lane here? I don't know. I'm driving, but I think we're treating it as one lane. All right. Let's go to Wendy's. Just cause. I don't mind Wendy's burgers. All right.
Hi, may I take your order, please?
Hey, can I get your bacon portobello mushroom melt combo?
Okay.
And can I get that an extra patty on the burger?
Sorry?
An extra patty on the burger?
Sure.
And can I get iced tea to drink?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
Okay. Would you like gravy for your fries?
No, small fries, fine.
Okay. 1511 Java, please. Thank you.
Thank you. We can get up here to pay.
Hi,
Hey.
you have the portobello combo with iced tea?
Yep.
Great, it comes to $15.11. Captures there at the top.
Cool.
Thank you.
All good. Have a good day.
You have a great day.
We'll try. We'll try. Wow, they got nailed by the snowplow.
Hi.
Hey, how we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I guess we could try.
That's your combo.
Get some ketchup. Excellent.
Thank you.
Gotta get that ketchup, guys. They just don't offer it for some odd reason. That's annoying. We're just gonna park right in front of this guy. I think. Yeah. Just because, you know. Yeah. Perfect. Done. Turn off. Yeah. All right, guys. Where am I looking? Right here? Perfect. All right, we got the Wendy's. You guys like iced tea? I like iced tea. So we got napkins. Fry. All right. Let's get one of those ketchups open. We'll get that on the fries, because I just got... Who else is addicted to ketchup? Like, we were raised on ketchup, right? Let's get into the friggin' beast. And it is a beast. Oh, man. Like, they don't serve this burger all the time. Look at that beast. She's a mess. But, man, she's tasty. And I love mushrooms. So, this is my burger. Mmm. 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 Messy. Tasty. Wow. Mmm. Yummy. We all deserve this after like 3 days of staying indoors. Mind you, I'm a pretty good cook. Now I've been doing some good cooking. I wasn't starving. Mmm. 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 There's like a unreal cheddar cheese sauce, bacon, portobello mushrooms, and that's it. The meat. That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, if you ain't eating your meat, I don't know what you're eating. Rabbit food? Oh. Mmm. I exercised today, so. Did you guys exercise? If you don't, you should. Because if you're not exercising, you're just getting gradually weaker and weaker. And if you get gradually weaker and weaker, then you're becoming more useless and more useless. Because then you're not going to be a help to you or anybody else. So eat your meat. I love that song by Pink Floyd. It's like, how can you have any pudding if you eat your meat? And rightfully so. That used to be how parents used to parent their kids. Now the kids are dictating what they want and what they don't want to eat. The world's going to hell in a handbasket, people. See all those proud Americans defending the border down in Texas. Do that. Defend your borders. Illegal immigration is ruining countries. Sloppy burgers are the best, baby. And they just load it. Load it with the mushrooms and shit. I love it. Love it. But we're going to get back to regular broadcasting. Yeah, I put out a post the other day. My aunt passed away. She was a large portion of my life. Passed away of cancer. The shock wasn't so much there because we knew she was passing away for a few months when she was fighting it. The outcome was going to be the same. So, rest in peace, Sheila. We'll see you again. I'm pretty much all done of crying. And I did. Cried so much I had like a headache for 2 days, I think. One tasty burger, Wendy's. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. That's one tasty burger. Fries. I can take or leave the fries. That's just a side, right? I want the meat. The fries are a little on the cold side. Wow. Oh, I'm getting full here. That's good. Jesus, it's a beast of a burger. Only a couple bites left, guys. I mean, it's done really good. Like, oh, just meet my match here. Like, I was like, like holy. My stomach shrunk a bit, guys. Like, oh my god. Oh, excuse me. I was down to 2 meals a day, basically. I found out about fasting. If you don't know about fasting, is not eating for like 16 hours or beyond that. But you definitely have to go 16 hours without eating per day. You could try to do fasting every day. What that does, allows your body to go back to the regular maintenance of like burning fat, burning the sugars that are left in your body and stuff like that. It gives your body time to rest, recuperate, and get rid of toxins in your body. So, I've been doing this for a bit now, and I lost all my fat. Like, I had a big old belly and stuff like that. So, it was great, because I'm not a fat person. And you guys aren't either. You guys are just lazy. There are ways to lose the weight. Do your research. Fasting is definitely the #1 way to do it. Naturally, safely. It's just putting in less calories. So you can't be bad and go to Wendy's or McDonald's or whatever. If you're just having it once a day, or like whatever, like 2 meals a day, and your calorie intake's becoming less and less, then you will lose weight. It's not about all the bad foods are doing it. It's like, no, you're eating too much of those bad foods. Stop blaming the food, please. It's like people that blame guns for the violence. Guns ain't killing people. People are killing people. And that is the truth of the matter. So, well, we get it right away. Wow. Usually I'm like waiting there for a long time to get on the strip here. So, I'm going to turn the camera back around and we will show you guys. We got to go to Tim Hortons to grab some coffee for my parents. And then we're going to head back out to the country. And, hopefully I can keep going here, okay? I'm basically just driving like as a one lane here because it's like they can't even make the proper lanes right now because of all the snow. So, we'll be back. Turned around the other way. Alright guys, back again. So like I said, we're going to take the other road. Or in the other lane, buddy. Yeah, it's a stockpile of snow to get rid of. We'll be doing that for the next 2 weeks, I'd say. They have to coordinate late night snow pushing around, and then they stockpile it in the trucks, and then they'll go down to the harbor and then do dump offs in the harbor of the snow into the water in the harbor. just to get rid of the snow mounts. That's usually what they do with large portions. But it's a coordinated effort of a whole bunch of trucks, machinery to do all that. That's why it's going to take them like 2 or 3 weeks. All right, we got to go. Cool. Oh, well, I needed that burger. So like I say, I'm doing fasting and such. What wants to get out? With the fasting and such. So I only start eating around 11 or 12 every day. And then you shut off the eating after supper time, basically 5 or 6 o'clock. But your deadline to be done with the consumption of food is 8 o'clock at night. So absolutely nothing after 8 o'clock. It's like feeding gremlins. Don't be feeding those gremlins after midnight. You know. Same thing with your body. If you're continuing to eat late at night, as a lot of people do, getting the sugary treats and stuff, what is that? That is like the worst fucking thing in the world. Because what that is doing is getting in your system, and then you're going to bed with all this extra food that's in your stomach, and your body's already shut down for breaking down the food, like digestion, late at night. So it's all going to sit there. During your sleep, where the body wants to burn the fat and then eventually get to the sugar reserve, it's not going to get to that because it has to go through the food you just put in your body. So your sugar reserve and your fat reserves in your body don't get tapped into and burnt off during the fasting, during your sleep. It's supposed to be doing, because you put food in your body late at night watching that movie that night. So it's a double-edged sword, guys. You really, really got to shut down the late night eating. It's a necessity. Like, I'm not telling you that it's an option. I'm saying you have to do this. If you want to regain your body to where getting back to your natural body weight and feeling good about yourself again, this is it. This is how you do it. So I'm telling you. It's changed my life, I'll tell you that right now. Within a year, I lost 25 to almost 30 pounds within a year of doing it. And that wasn't even a full year. That was only so many months where you started seeing results of the fasting. I think within after 3 to 4 months, you started to see results. It's slow, right? And with everybody with weight loss, they always want to see really fast results. There ain't no fast results in weight loss. And if it's too fast, it ain't right, and it can probably just go right back on. So the slower the better, as it can be more maintained. I'm doing little exercises as well, as I was explaining. Get some dumbbells there, some floor exercises on an exercise mat. Yeah, just minimal stuff that keeps your body feeling good, the aches and pains away, and keeps your muscles activated, that you actually have muscles. If you're not activating your muscles, you'll lose muscle mass. And I mean for any amount of muscle. Wow, this is great. Look at this, guys. The snow is like coming right up onto the road. Like, that's a pile of snow right there. See that? Like all the stuff on the right-hand side here. Like, that's a pile of snow to be moving off the road. It's like... Like I said, guys, yeah, I ran into a bunch of stuff there where this was the very first Monday live stream I had to cancel. And I've been doing this for like a year now with the Monday live streams. Yeah, very first one I had to cancel due to my aunt passing. I actually got a little bit of sickness as well. I had some chest congestion I'm just getting over now. And then the snowstorm. So it was like bang, 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 I was out. 3 strikes and I was out. So it's good to get back. My aunt's funeral is today because I had to get delayed as well. So yeah, we're gonna get back to some regular broadcasting because 2024 is gonna be our year, guys. It is gonna be a good year. Starts out horrible with the death of someone you super love, but she was such a positive person, and she wouldn't want anybody to put their lives on hold for anything. Life is for living, not being stagnant. So yeah, she taught me a lot. All right, we are coming up to the Timmy's, guys. Staple of Canadian living. All right, get going. All right.
Let's go, please.
Hey, can I get a medium regular coffee?
Yep.
A medium with 1 cream,
Yep.
and a medium black with 1.5 sugar.
With 1.5 sugar.
1.5 in that black, yeah.
Yep.
And that'd be it.
Okay, 620 dry, please.
Thank you. Ugh. Yeah. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Got some big plans this year, like I said. Doing a couple concerts with a buddy of mine. And doing Las Vegas with Lucky Finger. It is going to be an epic year, and there's no other way about it. So I'm ready to bring it, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Patience. Go, buddy. Come on, bring it. Yeah, hopefully the next live stream's actually good, guys. The last couple kind of burnt me. It's time for a winning live stream. All right, what's going on here? He's just doing like me, buying coffees for other people. Gonna be busy today. Oh. Hey. Want debit? Excellent. Thank you. Oh, got her. All right. Everybody wants out of here and all at the same time. Is that guy going too? No. Yeah, I was wondering, this looks like is that guy going or what? Come on, baby. No, he's just parked there. He's just parked there, that big old ride. All those boys need a break, that's all. All right. We're going to check out. Okay, buddy, you can go. What the hell is he doing? It's like, drive. Listen to me getting all road raging, eh, guys? You're hearing it here first. What are you doing, buddy? Do you realize there's somebody behind you? Holy cow. That's another thing about driving on this island. You're going to hate it if you live here. We got a horrible combination now of old people drivers and immigrants that don't know the rules of the road. It's not a good combination. Alright, let's see how nasty this road is. Because this is a pretty bad road most times. So let's see. So far, not looking the best. This curve in front of me. Ooh. Are you gonna stay on your side of the road, buddy, or what? Look at this guy. Wow. Must have just been something else to get through this road. Like, it's an insane amount of snow, guys. As you can tell. Wow, there's like, oh, rough patches to get through. Wow. Look at the size of this drift, guys. See that? Look at the size of that drift. I have to like pull over to the side a bit just to get past it. It's like, holy hell. Oh my god, is that truck stuck up in there? That Prince, that big transfer truck, is he like stuck in there? Looks like he is. Wow. That won't be fun. What are you gonna do with that? Is he? No, he just parked there. I was gonna say. Well, once again, guys, look at these massive amounts of snow here. Wow. Insanity. Very glad I did not go out in this storm, or else I would have been one of them idiots getting stuck in the middle of a road and plows need to do their job and you're in their way. There was a few cases of those idiots and I didn't want to be one of them. Yeah. Say, guys, I don't like that slush like right there was coming down the hill. That's the stuff that takes your tires and don't give them back. Oh, she's rumbling. I'm only doing 48 kilometers right now. Keep a good distance from the car in front and back of you. Okay, say stop, and then you need to give yourself enough time to stop. They don't teach you this. They don't teach you this stuff in driver's ed there. live stream, a gambling live stream, sometime this week perhaps. Normally we'd be driving this at like 80 kilometers an hour. That's the max speed. So it's all ice, like all this is ice. You hear that? You're just driving on ice there. I wouldn't be able to stop if I was on that. Side road here on the right. No, it looks like it's not too bad. Guys with the snowmobiles be loving this weather. Snowmobiles and kids making snowman. The snow is real heavy, guys. I was out shoveling yesterday. Yeah, it's very heavy snow, so it won't be easy for plows and everything to actually get rid of this stuff. The heavier it is, the worse it is. that's pretty much it. I will let you guys go there, and we will see you guys in the next live stream. I'll give a little heads up before I do it, and we'll see you then. This is like right before my house, guys. Like, look at the snow walls here. Like, look at that. This truck down here is just stopping to let us through. This is insane.